Okay, this is a video of the return air grill noise. There's the equipment. This is the grill. What we're going to do is try to make this brighter by adding bar style and cutting in one here in the paneling. So when I'm done, I'll show you the opposite.